Perfect flavor. Perfect flavor.
Obviously, this is a duck. Don't look at me. This is how it came. I'm just glad they removed the feathers. So anyway, we're gonna dress this sucker up, spice it, smoke it, and see what happens. Let's get to it. The brine is gonna have salt, water, and some orange juice. The glaze will be soy, balsamic, and honey. Find a joint between the vertebrae, cut the head off, and save later for a stock. Then puncture the skin multiple times with a fork. Add the salt and molasses to the water, bring to a boil, and let cool. Add a few cups of orange juice and cover the entire duck with brine. I had to transfer this one to a larger container. Then refrigerate covered overnight. The next day, remove the duck from the brine and pour boiling water over the skin. This clears the brine and helps make the skin a little crispier. Then add any dry rub you want. This one has salt, pepper, star anise, and cloves. Stuff the cavity with orange, onion, garlic, and cilantro. Seal the cavity with a long toothpick or improvise. I sharpened a chopstick for this bird. Set your smoker to 250 Fahrenheit, plus or minus 20 degrees, and smoke between 4 and 6 hours. You can apply the glaze after the first hour and every hour thereafter. The duck is done when the internal temp is around 160 Fahrenheit.
You can totally put a while. I want you to have a piece. Oh, like butter. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Of course. Very good. Salt. I like it. Smoke level is good. Okay, moment of truth. Here, Carlo.
Very good. Very juicy. Nice skin. Perfect flavor. Perfect flavor. Perfect.
Perfect.